When it comes to choosing the right fence for your yard, you're going to want to make sure of 3 key things. 1, do you have any pets? If you have pets, it's very important to make sure there's no holes near the bottom of the fence that those small animals could slip through. Number 2, it's going to be very important for you to pick the fence that you like best. So there's a couple different options when it comes to fences. You're going to have a vinyl PVC fence, or you're going to have aluminum. There's also chain link, but it's getting less and less common. So with the black aluminum fence, you're going to get an awesome look, some awesome durability, and it's going to last a really long time. With the vinyl PVC fence, it's going to be super durable. You're going to have to clean it a little more often because some mildew and mold likes to stick to them, but you're going to have a beautiful private look. And the third thing to consider when you're picking out your fence is what's allowed within your community. If you live in an HOA, a lot of times they don't like privacy fences because it separates the neighbors so much. So they're going to opt for a white fence with little spaces between the pickets so that it feels more inclusive and less excluding your neighbors out. And these fences usually come in 4-foot tall sizes rather than 6-foot privacy. On our website, we have an awesome estimating tool so you can see the exact price per linear foot for your fence project.